Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Many CMA final students are asking about the exam oriented batch December 2025 detailed schedule. Yes, again I am repeating CMA final exam oriented batch for December 2025 detailed schedule. Now I am going to announce September 1 to September 15. That means total 15 days. Morning session I will take DT. Afternoon session SPM BV. So total 15 days. Sir, what about exact timings? Yes, we will inform exact timetable for every day through our main Telegram channel. And already if any student purchased exam oriented batches, already students added to the respective Telegram groups. But anyhow, we will send the detailed timetable for every day also to the main Telegram group of Shikharatutorials. Next, after completion of these two subjects, we are going to start SFM and law for next 15 days. September 16 to September 30, we are going to take SFM and law. So then after 5 days, October 1 to 5, SCM DM subject decision making part. October 6 to 12, IDT. October 13 to 19, cost audit. October 20 to 26, CFR. And October 27 to November 2, SCM part. So that means in September month itself, you can complete the 4 subjects. But in September month, the faculties are going to take the morning session 1 faculty, afternoon session 1 faculty. Then October 2, up to completion of all subjects, yes, total day will be taken by the respective subject faculty only. So some more students are asking about the, sir, what is the duration of the every subject? So on an average 40 to 50 hours. Sir, first time listeners can attend for this batch? No. This batch is very much suitable for the repeaters. Why, sir? Even though we are referring the theory as well as the practical questions also, but we are delivering the subject in 40 to 50 hours. We are covering important concepts as well as difficult concept like revision only. So first timers definitely can feel the difficulty in understanding these revision things. So that's why all of you please remember exam oriented batch is suitable only for the repeaters. Sir, what is the benefit here? We are giving exclusive CMA final materials prepared by the faculties. And one more thing you have to observe. From these materials only the faculties will teach the classes. And what is that important thing? This batch only for the repeaters, not for first timers. And this is a timetable. Yes, already timetable you know. Yes, then what about the daily timetable, sir? We will share through our Telegram channel. So next, sir, what is the fees details? Already we announced the fees details in an earlier video, but now again I want to tell you fees details. If you want to attend for face-to-face, yes, fees will be subject-wise. Yes, subject-wise. How much amount of fees? 1500. It including books. And if you want to attend for any group, either group 3 or group 4, 6,000 fees including books. And if you want to attend for both groups, yes, including books, 12,000 fees. No, sir, I want to attend from online. Yes, here first we will take the live, then after, yes, you can watch recorded classes also with a 1.5 views. That means if you enrolled for our online classes, one time you can watch live. After that, you can watch 1.5 views recordings also. Sir, how many months validity you will provide? Yes, sorry. How many months validity? 4 months validity we are going to provide for this exam oriented batch classes. Okay. The fees, coming to the fees, 4,000 per subject including books. If you want to attend per group, 15,000, 28,000 for the both groups. And one more important thing, now all of you know offer is going on. Yes, last 2 days for claiming this offer, August 30th and August 31st. Today and tomorrow only you can claim this 25% discount. That means effectively, yes, on these fees, you will get 25% discount if you enroll to that classes 30th or 31st of August. Sir, how to purchase classes? You can visit to this website and directly you can purchase. So if you have any queries relating to purchasing of classes, yes, you can contact with this number 630-990-1213. Yes, I hope all you are understood about the timetable relating to exam oriented batch for December 2025 CMA final. Yes, so and few more details also I want to provide. Yes, what are the few more details like detailed schedule as well as, yes, so DT morning time, at what time it will start, at what time it will end, then after SPMBV at what time it will start and what time it will end, all the things also we can provide by using our Shikhara Tutorials main Telegram channel and respective Telegram groups also. Thank you. Have a nice day.